Hi, thank you very much for being here. Today, I'm gonna tell you what is the cost of your Wix website. Actually, it depends upon your requirements. Let's come to the computer screen and see what I mean. You have to go to wix.com. Here is the Wix website, and you can find in top menu the pricing option. Click here. Here is the current pricing. When I am recording the video, maybe it will be different time to time. So Wix actually have two plans. One is website plan and the second one is business and e-commerce plan. So in website plans, they have different categories. Like if you just want to connect the domain, you have to pay this, and combo for personal use, you have to pay this, and every package have some sort of facilities. Like you can see custom domain available here, but remove Wix ads is not available. It means that connect domain have some sort of Wix ads. So you can see all the facilities here and the availabilities of these facilities in different packages. So you have to decide what is best for me. If you are new user or want to use Wix for your personal use, then I recommend you can purchase this. And if you are a professional freelancer or entrepreneur, I recommend you should purchase this. So in the next section, if you have an online store and want to sell your products online, then you have to come here and see all these available plans. Like these have three categories, and here are the facilities available in each categories, like storage spaces, video hours, and customer care, and the platforms. So you can see some other features here. So this is the way how to find the pricing, the current pricing of Wix website, and you have to research your requirement first, and then you should purchase the package depending upon your requirements. Actually, I recommend take a piece of paper and pencil and write all of your requirements if you know well. If you do not know and you are not clear about your requirements, then hire a professional who will help you to identify your requirements, and then you should move forward to purchase a Wix website. And if you want me to tell you, please put a comment below about your current requirements, and then I will tell you all the available options and sub options for fulfilling your requirements. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Keep watching the next one.